Once again, welcome back to where I stay again. Today, I'm gonna make a little scary prank on my mother. She's a big believer in the supernatural thing, them spirits and them something. And I wanna see if I can scare her with some simple little scary movie things. So yeah.
What is she wearing? Two. The fuck? I know I'm not seeing things. You know what? Let me mind my business and hope that I'm wrong about this. What the fuck is going on? That shit just moved. I know I saw the cushion move. No. Like, Jaim, somebody's gotta be in this house because there's no way. Like, what the fuck? No, I'm leaving. Oh, I'm leaving this shit. Oh, Jaim. There's no way. Like, what the fuck? I forgot Jaim, but coming something nasty in this by myself. Like, I know I not get mad. Something I have wrong. Answer the damn phone.
Please leave your message.
Oh. Shit. I'm not going back outside there. Let me just wait inside here. Maybe I'm getting crazy or something. Like this, something's obviously wrong. Hello? Hello? No, 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 no. What the fuck is this? Hello? Ah! The fuck? Fuck is this? Oh God. Oh. Shit. God. Oh! What the hell is this? What a blood clot is? Like, where's everybody? Why today everybody has to be outside? Like, what is going on? Like, I don't even know what's happening in here. One more clot. Ah! Oh! Shit. Oh! Oh God! Whoa! Whoa! Somebody has to be in here. Like, this is not making sense. Oh. Hello? Where are you? I think somebody's in the house.
We need somebody else.
Somebody in the house. Somebody are fling things.
Somebody can get in the house.
Somebody's in the house. Somebody's throwing things. Like, I'm going to live in the same thing. I happen to come to bed with the same thing. Hurry up.
I can't come home till like
Come now.
20
What the
minutes.
fuck?
You can't come out till 20
Oh,
minutes!
that. So are you in here? That's not fucking funny. That's not even freaking funny.
Yeah, funny.
Because I know I wasn't getting crazy. Like, I know something was wrong. Why would you do that? That's not funny though.
It's funny though, yeah. You feel me? So you're funky.
Like, I know I never get crazy. Like, I say waffling things and like I never even know when you leave or when you come back. Like you're really not nothing for door. Shit.